Hey there, Escambia County Public Schools. Let's talk about setting up your security questions and creating a password pin, just in case you need to change your password or you forget it. Because today, it's a bite of tech. We're going to go ahead and get started. So from the Public Schools page, navigate to Staff. From here, the easiest way to locate the link is to scroll down the right-hand side and click the Self-Service Password Reset link. You're going to need to enter your username and your current password here. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgotten Password link underneath Sign In. Once you're in, you could change your password up here at the top. You could set up your security questions here, and when you click that tile, it's going to bring you to this page. There will be questions for you to answer. Now, it's important to remember that these security questions must be set up in order to use that self-service reset feature. So once you've answered them, you'll navigate back and then update your profile to set up your PIN. Now, you may not realize it, but you can also update your title as well as your telephone and fax number and your preferred name. Now, this bottom box is where you're going to enter your PIN. Some things to note. Your PIN number needs to be 4 to 6 digits long and easy for you to remember, because beginning May 1st, 2023, you will need your PIN number in order for the service desk to verify your identity if you call them for password help. Once you've updated this information, click the Update button, and then you'll be navigated back to your home screen where you can log out at the top. Now, it's always best practice to close that browser once you've logged out. And now you've learned how to reset your password, set up your security questions, and create that all-important PIN code. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended videos. And that is a Bite of Tech.